Oh, this is waterfall, guys. Waterfall. Look at this waterfall. Waterfall. This is waterfall, guys. You know, if you want to come and relax, you just come and sit here and then relax, listening to the noise from the water. The sound, it heals. This sound, it heals, eh? You see the waterfall. You can hear the sound. You can hear. This heals. Even if you are stressed, if you come and sit here, then you'll be fine. You'll be good. You'll be good. Just look, guys. That's what I spent my Sunday doing. Yeah. That's what I spent my Sunday doing today. See? Look at me. Hey! This is me. It's cold, my guys. It's cold, my guys. I'm cold. Yo, see? Waterfall. Just look at me. I'm relaxing. Relaxing. Looking at, yeah. Look at the beds. And the sunset, guys. Can you see? Can you just look at the sunset? This is waterfall for you guys. Welcome, welcome, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the Leeway YouTube channel, guys. Subscribe, comment, share, and look at the sunset. So beautiful. Look at us. Look at that sunset when you are in there alongside the river. Look at the river. Wow, so cute. Look at the river. There is fish inside there. There's fish. There's fish. Look at it. Look at a big stream going down. Look, that's where the rich hides here in South Africa. This is waterfall for you guys. This is waterfall. And there is my sister. That's my sister Pamela. She's standing there. Now she's running away. She's scared of the camera. Bye-bye, Sisi. Bye. We'll communicate on the phone. I'll talk to you on the phone. Cool, bye. Love you. Thank you for coming. Good. Look at the birds there. Crossing the road. See? There's a black one there. It's coming. Wants to drink water. You come, bird. Come, bird. Come. Oh, guys. Yeah. I spent the whole day with these ladies. Yeah. Because today it's Sunday. I didn't go home. I was working yesterday. So now we're busy. Yeah, just relaxing. That's what I spent the whole day doing today. You can see. You see? That's why this is the place where the rich ones hide in South Africa. Whoa. Nice houses, big houses. Hey! Hello! Thank you. Bye, guys. Bye. Bye. Bye.